Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to activate Profile Picture Guard on Facebook app. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. When you turn on the Profile Picture Guard, others won't be able to download or share your profile picture. Only you and your friends can tag your profile picture, and you will have a shield image added to your profile picture. To begin, open the Facebook app on your phone. Go to your profile, and then tap on your profile picture. A menu will pop up from the bottom. Select Turn on Profile Picture Guard. Tap on the next button. You will now see the preview. Tap the Save button. That's it. The Profile Picture Guard has been activated. To deactivate the Profile Picture Guard, again tap on your profile picture. From the pop-up menu, tap on Turn off Profile Picture Guard. From the confirmation window, tap on Yes. And the Profile Picture Guard has been deactivated. So in this way, you can activate Profile Picture Guard on Facebook app. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.